United World Wrestling's 2022 Greco-Roman Wrestler of the Year is Жылдын Шаршенбеков of Kyrgyzstan. The Kyrgyz Sparkplug became his nation's second ever world champion with his win in Belgrade. Šaršenbekov faced devastation at the 2018 and 2021 World Championships, having to settle for silver medals, but left nothing to fate in 2022, beating Edmond Nazaryanga of Bulgaria in the 60-kilo finals. Šaršenbekov went 8-1 during his 2022 campaign, winning gold at the Asian Championships and a bronze medal at the Bullet Turlykhanov Ranking Series event, cementing himself as one of the favorites to win lightweight gold at the Paris Olympic Games. United World Wrestling's Greco-Roman Wrestler of the Year is Жылдын Шаршенбеков.